Welcome back to the world of creativity, where we uncover the greatness and creativity of human nature. It's nice, it's fun. We're back for round two. We are all the same, but we all want to be different. What you're about to see, it's fresh talent, fresh from the box, no dust included. If I stumble my words, just know that I'm starstruck. I'm talking about Mel Peaks. Yes, she's still the building. She was discovered here on Gemstone. We were all mesmerized by her singing and dancing, which she'll be gracing our stage with a glorious performance. Remember, go to our websites, networking websites at www.gemvote.com to vote for your favorite and visit them on Facebook and Twitter. And yes, Twitter, maybe Facebook, of course. But for now, let's go see what you guys got for us.